Yet another day here at the TSG compound. Thanks for joining me today. Gonna have to take care of some chicken issues. So what's been happening is, well, let me get around and I'll show you inside the chicken coop what's going on. All right, what I gotta do is take my drill and take off the inside door that closes off the coop from the pen, because the wire that keeps varmints out at night has been kind of pushed away. There have been rats inside of my chicken coop, and they get in there during the day. Can't really help that unless I'm monitoring it all the time, and I see evidence of them. But then at night, sometimes I, shoo one of them out, or I've been trying to trap him, and he's been kind of sneaky, this little rat. But then one day I come in and I know that he was cleared out the night before, but the next morning I come back and there's little rat poops where there wasn't the night before. So I know he's getting in, and then I figured out why. Let me show you. See that door? That's the door I'm talking about. Right down there, that rat has pushed out somehow, pushed in, pushed out, and left a gap. And the other day I just kind of temporarily tacked it on, but now I've got to make a more permanent solution because that rat is strong. Yeah, these hinges don't, I can't pull the pin out, so I'm gonna have to unscrew it, which in hindsight I should have gotten removable pin hinges. Oh. All right, now that I'm in here, I forgot. I was cleaning out some stuff and I gotta put all that stuff away. All right, let's put this baby up here. Let's get to fixing this. So as you can see, temporary solution was just put some screws in so this thing wouldn't pop up. He pushed hard enough that the staples, the brads that I put in, man, it was sticking out quite a bit. Let's get these out and then I'll show you what I'll do. Yeah, see how it's pulled away like that? This is actually the, let's see. This is actually the outside of the door, and so he was pushing really hard and he got his way in there. And look, telltale sign right here. Somebody's been chewing at that, and chickens don't normally chew at things like that. The rat was going in here. So even though I'm gonna fix this, I've got this issue. Well, the way I'm gonna repair this is I'm gonna do this. Got a piece of wood. I'm gonna come along with that piece of wood. Maybe not that one. Maybe this one. And fasten it down so that he can't push through, but I don't know what I'm going to do here. It looks like I have to replace the bottom. Wow. You sure you guys want chickens? They are beneficial. I enjoy my chickens. All right, let's get to work on this thing. Yeah, just kind of nail those back in, or hammer those brads back down. Broken blood vessel. That does not feel good. Probably should put a brace. Probably should put this kind of thing all the way around, huh? Okay, well, I am going to just do it right here. There's a link in the description below. I love this thing. You may want to consider one for yourself if you do any kind of woodwork. Yeah, I love my pneumatic tools. Problem is, that compressor is so loud. Yeah, so this rigid brad nailer thing, very cool. I've enjoyed it a lot. Link in the description, like I said. Let's, I'm putting 1 inch, this is 1/2 inch material, so I'm putting 1 inch nails in. They're brads, really. Probably not the best decision because of the head may not. There is no head. Well, a very small one. And the rat may end up just pushing it out again. But yeah, I would rather this be the path of least resistance, because when it is tough, look what he does. He ends up destroying this. And I thought about maybe I could make a aluminum framed door, but then I fear that the wood on the chicken coop is what he's going to gnaw at. I'm just going to have to get my pellet gun and do one of those. All right. This might just work. I'm just kind of hammering the parts all back together. Oh, yeah, well, there you go. Stuff falling down. So that would be okay. Oh, wait, I got another piece. This thing came undone. Can you see that? Came undone. I'm gonna fix that, but I gotta go get the part. It's outside. There you go. It was this. It's came undone. I'm gonna hammer that back on. That just kind of keeps the where the joint comes together, keeps it from coming apart. Yeah, there's that. There's that. Can you see that? What am I going to do there? I think just leave it. What I did temporarily was I put a block of concrete up against it, and it prevents him from going in. And when I did that, I think that's when he ended up pushing really hard on this thing. You know what? I'm going to do this. There you go. Now that little booger, he's going to have a harder time getting in. All right, let's go put this back on. And back in. I left the screws in the... It's hot again today. Well, it's humid, and I don't work well in humidity. I'll be right back.
Okay, got the screws.
Yeah. I don't mind the warm weather. You know, it's, I don't know how hot it is right now. It's probably close to 90, which I can deal with in the, you know, when there's shade and a little breeze blowing, and that's what's happening. But when the humidity goes up, my whole countenance changes. There you go. Yeah, see, this block of concrete, I put that there, and that pretty much blocks him. Oh yeah, he chewed all this, look. Yeah, that's his little entryway, and when I blocked it, he ended up pushing on this. All right, I'll have to see how this works. Keep that little rascal out.
Oh my gosh, chickens, what the heck are you doing? They're over there digging to China for grubs. Oh, look at the mess they make. Yeah, to China. China.
All right. Yeah, that's it. All right, so as usual, please use my affiliate links down below. The Amazon link really helps, all of that stuff. And if you're interested in any of this stuff, you can find it on my page, shootingguy.com merch. Shootingguy.com merch. I'll put a thing down below. I'm sure would help out. And yeah, I gotta go finish up chicken chores. Oh, the other thing, you've been asking about this read arrest. Thank you for those who have picked up a couple of read arrests. I saw that. Right now, read arrest is doing a 2-for-1 kind of a thing. So if you buy a pack that has 2 in there, you could get a free pack of 2 that you can give away to a friend. But if it's timely and you can click on the link and you get 1 off, you know, get 1 free when you buy 1, do it. All right. And they're always running a sale, so 30% off on some of their stuff, which is pretty cool, which is pretty cheap. They're only about $10 for one of these, so you get 30% off of that. Or if you get if you get a pack for free after you buy one, that's a pretty significant savings. And then you look like a hero.
Thank you very much.
Because you gave one of these away and you said, yeah, watch this guy, shooting guy, TSG dude. He wears them. I'm wearing them now, and you should wear it. That's what you should say to all your friends when you give it away.
They also keep your screwdriver handy.
All right, I think that's all. You guys got any comments or questions? Got any questions about chickens? What should be the next video I do? I'm not running out of content opportunities, but I just want to take a poll of the kinds of things you like to see. Do you kind of like to see the stuff we do around the compound? Kind of a daily vlog thing? Because I'm kind of considering that. What would you say? Tell me. Leave a comment down below. You can always email me at theshootingguy@gmail.com. You can always email me there, or go to my webpage, shootingguy.com/contact-us. Put a link down below. Click on that, or just go to the webpage, click on contact us, and leave me a message. Right? I want to know how you're doing with all of this flu season thing that's been going on for the last 5 months. This is really weird, guys. I know it's taking its toll on a lot of us, and I'm doing okay. You know, keep my head above water. How are you doing? And I want to hear from you, see how you're doing. Those of you that have responded to that already, I'm glad you're doing well. It's good to hear from you. All right, I'm gonna go. God bless you. God bless America. May America bless God. Don't forget 2 for 1 on a rearrest. Don't forget. See you later. I gotta put this stuff away and go take care of the chickens. Start a new organization, CLM, Chicken Lives Matter. Asked, are chickens really smart? Yeah, they know where the food is. Yeah, here's the problem with chickens. I love them much, but man, they tear everything up.